Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for all you WhatsApp users out there. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of turning off the notifications light in WhatsApp groups on your Android device. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're inside WhatsApp, look for the 3 dots at the top right corner of the page. Tap on those dots to access the menu. Step 3. In the menu, you'll find the Settings option. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Now, you'll see various settings options. Look for and tap on Notifications. Step 5. Within the notification settings, you'll find an option called Groups. Tap on it to access the group notification settings. Step 6. Finally, you'll see the light option. Tap on it and select None to turn off the notifications light for WhatsApp groups. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the notifications light for WhatsApp groups on your Android device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy WhatsApping.